I was just a kid back then. Vlogging is student life
Hey, ngayon ka lang naglinis Oh, ba't may camera dyan?
and not expecting much from it. But suddenly, more and more people started watching when I entered college. Until one day, someone invited me to be a speaker at their school. Hi guys, I'm Jubril Bogtong, a second-year college student. And today, I've been invited to speak about content creation to the tourism students. So we're here na sa Mariners, Polytechnic, colleges. Actually, may event pala sila. Ayun sila. Basta. Hello! I was surprised kasi may nag-welcome na agad sa atin. Foundation, no? I see.
Hindi po talaga siya for festival.
Okay.
Competition po kasi siya.
Talaga maraming mga ganap. Thank you!
Please join us on stage.
Ayun, dun ba na stage? Nakakaya, ate.
Hindi ko rin po ito in-expect.
Di ko rin expect. Saan po?
I'm Zam, the overall chairman of the foundation.
Okay po, thank you so much. I'm surprised dahil na-invite tayo dito sa taas ng stage. I was not expecting this. Somehow nahihiya rin ako. But mas napapanood natin ng mas maganda yung mga performance nila dito. After watching the performance, they even gave me a tour of the place. So that's why I'm here.
We call this the mock-up airline cabin. We launched this last March. We will be installing here the what we call in-flight public address systems. Parang
Okay.
kusina siya ng aeroplano. So dito sila nagde-demo ng kanilang natutunan sa teacher nila. And most of the parts used in this mock-up aircraft cabin, totoong part siya ng aeroplano. Ito from Philippine Airlines.
This is their business class. And then dun naman yung economy class. We're gonna feel yung pagiging business class. So far, economy class pa lang yung nasasakyan ko. Nare-recline siya and also may headrest. Tapos meron pa ditong window. Diba? So ganito pa rin feeling pag nasa business class, like the comfort. Bro, wait lang bro So you're looking to make your first million but don't know where to start? 2 months ago, I was homeless and here I am now, making 17 million pesos a year, riding this plane. Bilhin nyo na yung course ko. Later on, I met the other guest speakers. And some of them were actually people I already knew.
Na-feature ka pa sa vlog ni Jibril.
Wow! But economy, business ako. Ganito pag pumaldo na sa buhay. Sa economy muna sila.
Now, please direct your attention to the cabin crew nearest you.
Kasi they're demonstrating us how flight attendants perform the in-flight safety demonstrations and announcements. Oo nga eh. Tsaka masarap matulog dito.
The purpose of this alternative class program is to give our students an opportunity to learn outside of their program or course.
Hello po. I wasn't expecting na ganito karaming makikinig sa akin. Grabe, ang dami nila dito pala. Ako tuloy kinakabahan. Baka po talo-talo ako pag ako nagsalita na sa harapan.
Without further ado, let us warmly welcome our student content creator, resource speaker, Mr. Jibril B. Dominic C. Bugtong.
Thank you. Dami nyo pala, no? Ganda ng design, no? So, I'm going to talk about yung journey ko being a content creator. Disclaimer lang rin, ang mga ituturo ko sa inyo is based on my experience. Hi guys! I am Jubril Bogtong, a second-year college student who loves to vlog about his college life. Andyan yung socials ko. If you guys want to follow me, kayo baala. Hindi ko naman kayo pinipilit Baka lang naman. Ilang kayo dito? 38, no? Dapat mamaya may dagdag 38 followers ako Creativity. And then authenticity. Authenticity naman builds trust. Magpakatotoo tayo. May sinabi sa akin ang isa kong teacher na wala naman masamang magpakatotoo. Pero dapat marunong rin tayong magpakatao. Last natin dito is relatability. Kasi relatability, it creates connection. connection with the audience. Bago ako gumawa ng content, nag-i-start muna ako gumawa ng script. Pre-made script lang na parang may susundan ka lang, may flow ka lang na susundan. Para pag nag-vlog ako, hindi watak-watak. Kumbaga may direction. Very important ang kasi dyan mismo makakatch yung attention ng mga audience.
And this was a really nice experience for me, sharing my knowledge to the people, the students here, and hoping one day they'll use the skills to inspire others too.
Nawala na rin yung kaba natin nung natapos yung talk, diba?
Thank you, Mariners. May graded lunch ako.
Actually, mabilis lang yung presentation ko. Direct to the point kasi ako mag-present kung ano yung dapat nila matutunan. Yun lang. Jollibee, bida ang saya.
Kung ganito lagi yung mga pa-seminar mo, parts, sama ako lagi.
O, kamusta na naman natutunan mo sa pag-talk ko?
Marami akong natutunan about sa mga sinabi ni Sir. Isa na dun yung pag-hook ng mga audience and kung paano ka magsalita sa video.
How to construct
How to construct pa?
a vlog.
Then nag-proceed sa content creation activity where the students will be grouped in 5 and will try to create a content. They'll film what they vision and edit it in a span of an hour for them to experience what it's like creating a content.
This will be competition actually. And I'm so excited kung ano yung mga nagawa nila during those 30 minutes or 1 hour, I guess. Kasali na yung editing doon.
And now, we're watching their outputs.
Ang ganda po nung nag-interview. Ang ganda niya po.
Face card ko, it's given.
Marami kaming nalaman sa students kung bakit nila teach sa Marinas. Po, nakaka-excite. Di po talaga kami marunong mag-edit. Nagba-vlog-vlog din po ako, mini-vlog. Ang content ko din po is dito po sa school, around school po, and also sa pageant.
Okay po si editing skills ninda and also smart transitions.
Napaka-solid ng editor namin.
Let's go! Thank you po, Kuya Jebril.
Napaka-solid mo po, kuya.
Imagine in a short amount of time, nakagawa sila ng ganun. Meron pa yung pangalawang video, naka-drone shot pa. Each video, may iba't ibang content type siya. Yung
Hinahirapan ako pumili kung sino yung panalo.
Fashion, and
Ang ganda ng mga gawa niyo, syempre. Wala namang pangit eh. Imagine ninyo, 30 minutes or 1 hour, nagawa niyo yung ganun. Well, kung ako yun, natataranta na ako. But kayo at least nakagawa kayo ng output. May mga feedback rin naman ako kada video. Sana walang personalan na lang Joke lang. For our first winner, this is Vlogging Type, which is a third video.
well, I don't know kung bakit yung first place yung nasabi ko agad. My bad, guys.
Ay, the first pala na, sorry.
And congratulations to all the winners and also sa mga nag-participate.
Alright, thank you so much po. Thank you. Guys, thank you so much. We're done. We're finally done, guys. We're really happy. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much sa pag-attend. Sorry if medyo na-extend.
I appreciate you guys for welcoming me warmly and signing up for my class. Kahit kapag yan lang naman yung ambag ko sa talk. I'm just kidding. Especially for participating in the activity. I hope you guys learned something new from me.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, congrats sa event ninyo. Sa susunod ulit. Good joke lang naman ako eh. May Jollibee kasi. Mga naka-follow ba kayo? Ayan na gusto ko. Thank you. May follow ka lang. We're done speaking and we're done na rin dito sa activity. And actually, I'm very impressed sa mga ginawa ng students. They made a content for just a short amount of time.
Look who I just met, guys. Yep, their director.
Ay, wow.
Yes po.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
One of your likes in a
Ay, wow! Well, thank you so much, ma'am. I'm so flattered. Nagkaroon tayo ng chance to meet the president dito. President yun, di ba? I just had the chance to meet the director and at the same time, makausap rin siya. Thank you so much, Mariners Naga. So I'm back here sa Ateneo since meron pa akong class. Kakatapos lang natin sa Mariners Naga and this is what we received. So we have here thank you card, notebook, we have a mug, we have here our certificate, and then lastly is the talent fee.
Yung mga talent fee pala na makukuha ko in every speaking, it will go directly sa aking organization to help fund more projects. And we have one right now which is for the Women's Month. And you guys can be part of this too by donating to this account. Kahit maliit man yan, it doesn't matter. The important thing is, it can help us create more opportunities and impact for young people. The youth, who we hope to inspire.
Yung mga sinasabi ko lang naman sa mga nagtatanong regarding sa TF ko, sa rates ko pagdating sa speaking, kung ano yung kaya ng budget nila since it is a school naman. Kasi I'm very thankful talaga and syempre very blessed rin ako. Kung saan man ako ngayon, it's because of God. I hope in the future may makakolab tayo sa kanila. For sure naman yung isa sa inyo, we'll try and also if ever man na maging content creator ka, be wise and be responsible din.
Because if you became a content creator, you have the power to influence people. Especially yung mga bata. Kaya lagi kong sinasabi,
Let's be the reason change happens. Hi, sir. Sorry. Ha? Meron po. Sabi mo, meron. Ano exam, sir? Sabi mo po, sir. Grabe naman. Feeling ko may pasok naman, sir. Nasakta mo lang nung naka-vlog. Sige po. Nice. Grabe talaga si sir. Namimigay na, oh. Shoutout kay sir, oh. Binigyan tayo ng snacks. Oy, sir, wala talagang pasok.